Okay, so today's my birthday, yay me, but I did want to make a video on how to propagate a Monstera, and this usually works for all plants, but I'm gonna show you a Monstera in this case. Now, like I told you in the last video, you always want to cut it at, see what this is, this line, this is called a node. I call them elbows, but you cut it below this line, and when you cut it, you want to cut it diagonal, not straight across. I mean, it probably can give you the same results, but I always recommend you cut it slant. So what I'm gonna do, I will be cutting this here, which will leave me 3 leaves. It'll leave me this leaf, this one up here, and this one right here. And then I'm gonna put it in some water, and that's how we're gonna propagate this. So again, when you see these lines like this here, this cuff, this node, cut below it, okay? So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna show you all the results. Right here, you just wanna give it a clean cut. Like I said, slanted. So I'm gonna grab the stem, and then these are some very sharp scissors. I use this to cut my fabrics, but you're just gonna grab it, have it in a slanted angle, and I'm gonna show you right here. Literally in a slant. And then you're gonna take this, as you can see, put these scissors in my pocket so y'all can see the results. All right, so now this is how it should look. You got your slant cut, you got your 3 leaves right here. We're propagating them. You can keep these aerial roots if you want. I'm most likely finna cut it, and I'm gonna show you this in a little bit. But yeah, so this is how it would look as far as propagating. Okay, again, you can cut these off. It's okay to cut these off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a little snip, let that fall, and it'll look like so. I mean, you can keep this if you want, optional. And all you're gonna do, honestly, once you cut it, and this is how my plant looks now, it's a little shorter, and it's gonna grow. It's gonna grow a new leaf. But yeah, so this is what I did. I got me an old milk jug that I had from this store called HEB, and I cleaned it out, and I just filled it with water. It can be tap water, purified spring, whatnot. And all I'm gonna do is just drop this in here. That's it. I'm just gonna drop it in here, and it should look something like this. And that's literally how you're gonna propagate your Monstera. Now, when you do, you also just wanna make sure that the water is deep enough for like the opening of the roots to be under the water as well. But outside of that, all you gotta do is just be patient. I would say, like, we're gonna get back to this in like 2 weeks, and I guarantee you it'll be roots that'll start growing. And I also always recommend something clear. So like this milk jug was perfect because it's clear. You can do a glass jar, but if you have something big like this, you know, you can get you a jug, cut the top of it with some scissors, and just place it in there. But yeah, that was how you would propagate a Monstera.